not treating this as a rarest of rare case. Shubhankar, you think while we had the prosecution demanding that this be treated as the rarest of rare case and capital punishment be imposed, you think the judge has erred in this, in taking this position that this is not the rarest of rare and giving life imprisonment instead?
I completely agree that this should have been considered as the rarest of rare case, and the culprit should have been, treated with the hardest of punishment. But at the very same time, I think this is what happens. I would like to, reply to Priyanka Tibawala earlier what she was saying over here. See, this is what happens when you play with justice with vested political interests. This is what BJP did over there. Once they use this case to just topple the government, not to get justice for the victim. The only idea was to somehow threaten the West Bengal government, not to get justice over here, and that what disturbed the entire case. That has disturbed the evidence, and that is somewhere I think.
But if you believe that this is actually a rarest of rare case, Shubhankar, and that capital punishment should have happened, then obviously justice has not been delivered to Abhaya. And remember, it was not BJP's fight. You are sort of singling out BJP because we had Priyanka Tibrewal before you. But the fact of the matter is, it was a people's movement. The voices that you heard on the streets of Calcutta and rest of Bengal, rest of the country, were voices that really wanted justice to be given to Abhaya, and that unfortunately has not happened. Shubhankar, you are mistaking. You are mistaken in politicizing this at this moment.
If you just don't have sympathy for the victim, rather than if you are much more interested,
are you saying those protesters who spent days, nights, taking a stick of the police, being beaten by the police, they did not have sentiments for Abhaya. They were not empathizing with what happened. They were not wanting justice for Abhaya.
Sorry, I couldn't get you.
No, I was saying, why are you again and again diverting this whole thing into a BJP versus Trinamool? It's not about BJP versus Trinamool. It is about a government who